Welcome back, everyone, to Living a Grateful Life with CLKSM. This is Lena here, and today we'll be working in the kitchen area. Now, I have an office adjacent to it, and I was doing some moving around in there, so naturally everything migrated into the kitchen, but we're going to go ahead and get that cleaned up. This is going to be a little bit more involved. I'm going to be wiping down the cabinets today, as well as the windows, which needed it, and the baseboards. So if you guys are enjoying the channel as well as today's content, please feel free to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and talk to you guys soon.
I'm just one in a million hearts trying to have yours. I know you've heard that before, but you're perfect, you don't believe it. It's like you don't see it, not at all. Even those days without makeup that don't mess with your makeup. You don't have to try to take it off. Yeah, you look into the mirror to see what's wrong. Ain't nothing wrong, but I see something more. I'm not looking for one night, I'm looking for all my life. I wanna share this love for more than one. I'm not looking for daylight in me holding you tight. I wanna share this love. You're worth more than just one night, than just one night. I want this one night. I want this one night, one night, one night. I wanna share this love for more than one, than just one night, one night, one night. I wanna share this love. You're worth more. I'm just one in a million hearts trying to have yours. We've heard that before, but you're perfect, you don't believe it. It's like you don't see it, not at all. Even those days without makeup that don't mess with your makeup. You don't have to try to take it off. Yeah, you look into the mirror to see what's wrong. Ain't nothing wrong, but I see something more. I'm not looking for one night, one night, one night. I wanna share this love for more than one, than just one night, one night, one night. I wanna share this love. Worth more than just one night, than just one night. I want this one night. I want this one night, one night, one night. I wanna share this love for more than one, than just one night, one night, one night. More like all my life, all my life, all my life. That's what I'm waiting for, babe. Yeah, what I'm waiting for, babe. I want this one night, one night, one night. I wanna share this love for more than one, than just one night, one night, one night. More like all my life, all my life, all my life. That's what I'm waiting for, babe.
Now it's clear to me we miscommunicated. You equivocated. You've already moved on, I'm alone and so damn jaded. And I hate it, 'cause all I needed was a simple yes or no. How would I know? still think of you as the one who got away. But you were never mine, and I know it's time that I face reality. And after all this time, I still think of you as the one who got away. But you were never mine, and I know that it's time to face reality. 'Cause all I needed was a simple yes or no. And what I know, 'cause all you gave me, baby, how would I know if you never showed? Just say yes, just say
No one ever meant to do you wrong. You were all that I needed. Didn't see the person I'd become till it was too late to change it. I tried to convince myself that you were right, and my fears, my faults, they multiplied. I know I need you back, I can't lie, to bring me back to life. No matter where I try to run, the darkness surrounds me. But I never have to fear the dark. Yeah, you know how to find me. 'Cause when I scream, you are my echo, closer than you think we are. And I should never have let go. You reflect what sets us apart. Echo, oh, oh, oh. Echo, oh, oh, oh.
Okay, guys, I know exactly what you're thinking. She just swept the floor and now she's about to vacuum. Absolutely. I have 3 dogs. They shed a lot of hair, so I definitely go over the floors multiple times. Anyone else feel my pain? Let me know how you guys do it. I go over the floors at least 3 times with the broom and a vacuum and then mop it.
Where I belong. You were my sense of feeling when the world had gone and left me numb. You never stopped believing that we could be more if we gave it time. Through the best, the worst, we'd survive. And I know I need you now by my side to bring me back to life. 'Cause when I scream, you are my echo, closer than you think we are. And I should never have let go. You reflect what sets us apart. Echo, oh, oh, oh. Echo, oh, oh, oh. 'Cause I need you now, yeah. No matter where I try to run, the darkness surrounds me. But I never have to fear the dark. Yeah, you know how to find me. 'Cause when I scream, you are my echo, closer than you think we are. And I should.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, a cleaning video is never done unless some sort of laundry is being folded in my house. We're a family of 5, so I'm going to be folding up some towels here towards the end. Alright, talk to you guys later.
Oh, oh,